Anna is an artist. She draws the moon. She draws clouds. She draws stars. Anna is letter A, an artist. Anna draws things that are in the letter C, sky. Anna draws letter B, stars. Anna does not draw letter C, trees. Anna probably also draws letter A,